Hello, hola. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time on my channel, you are in for a treat. My name is Rena MoMoney, and I come on here every week to give you valuable information in real estate, lenders, tips, tools, and all kind of different techniques to help you become a better you. Well, today we're going to talk about secrets they don't want you to know. Yes, the secrets of the real estate industry, the secrets that the mortgage company, the secret that the lenders do not want you to know. Some people get rich and some don't. Some take the time out to find out about the secrets to make them rich. That's actually the key. Knowing some of the secrets of the industry, knowing some of the secrets of success, knowing some of the secrets of money will help you to become rich. Some people get rich and some don't. There are actually 23 million millionaires in the United States. 23 million millionaires. And it's growing. It's because they're learning the secrets. If you fail to plan, you plan on failing. Acknowledge you have the ability. Failure is a part of the process. Failure is a part of success. But don't be afraid to change your habits and make it a mission to make your real estate business your best. Number 2, you must invest in yourself first, then invest in what creates wealth. Step out of the box. Invest what creates wealth. I talk about that all the time on this channel. Real estate, stocks, having a PAMN account, insurance policies, and there's many more. Side hustles, businesses, knowledge. So you must invest in yourself first. The reason it's a secret because folk will tell you, okay, well, do this, and do that. If you don't take the time out to educate yourself, you're going to pay for education some way or the other. You're gonna pay for it whether you spend too much money or someone dukes you out of your money or suckers you out your money or Jew you out your money, however you want to say it. And or you pay for a class or a course or a coaching call or training. So educate yourself, invest in yourself. Now let's dive a little deeper in some serious secrets. The next secret is to create an LLC and learn what to deduct. Remember, we said it's about saving money as well as making money. You want to always maximize your chances. Create tax savings. Get with your accountant. They don't want you to know that all you have to do is save some money in taxes. Create some tax saving stuff. Get with your accountant and actually ask, okay, I'm coming into a new year. Things are going to be different. Tell me, how can I use some more deduction? Tell me, how can I save some more money in my taxes? Tell me the best way to be a success. The next secret is to make your money work for you. You don't have to personally earn all your wealth. You must find ways to create more opportunity. Stay current with technology. This stuff is important. Use your tax breaks to your advantage. Live within your means, but explore investments. You say, Rena MoMoney, well, I thought real estate was the best investment. It is, but remember, I say to diversify. So strive to make your money work for you. The secret is growing your wealth over time, like stocks, bonds, a PAMN account, real estate. Understand investment products. That's really the secret. Take that time out to understand investment products because you won't be a millionaire. You won't do well just working, just earning income. You must invest. And they don't want you to know that. They want you to go to school and work. Most likely by the time you're 35 or 40, all you're doing is working to pay bills. You know, I have a new motto and I tell folk, I say, in your 20s, you should be finding. In your 30s, you should be grinding. All right, that's something. Comment below and let me know what would be a good saying for what we should be doing in our 40s and our 50s and our 60s, so we can keep that little slogan. We're going to make that our motto. In our 20s, you should be finding. You should be finding your way, finding your path. In your 30s, you should be grinding. In our 40s, we should be blank. Comment on that for me. Help me out with that because I want to use that on the next video. Okay, before we go into, I have about 5, 6, maybe 7 more that goes a little deeper into some of the industry secrets. But before I go there, if you haven't subscribed, you definitely want to do so. I come on here every week and I want to always bring you good, valuable information. You can even comment and tell me some subjects that you'll like for me to talk about. I love to help people get epic results. Let's go a little deeper and talk about some more secrets that they don't want you to know about. The banks don't want you to know how to use your credit without putting money down. The banks don't want you to know how to get real estate deals together without using your credit. You say, Rena MoMoney, what's the secret to it? Well, we've tipped on it. We've touched on it. Seller finance, subject to, lease options, and other creative financing ways. They don't want you to know that. They want you to continue to borrow so they can kill you in interest. And next thing you know, you're paying double. You're paying double for that property, or double for that product. They don't want you to know that you can invest in real estate with no money. But remember, I said on a previous video, if you have no money, you're going to need credit. If you have no credit, you're going to need money, especially if you're not using your own funds. So buy distressed properties only. Don't hope it will turn around. Don't hope it turns out to be a good deal. Know your value. Know your numbers when you're dealing with this real estate. And that's another secret they don't want you to know. You have to learn your numbers, because if you get a bad deal, you're stuck with that deal. Well, there are some ways you can get out of it, but at the same time, you don't want to enter into bad deals. And that's really the secret in succeeding in being a real estate investor, being a profitable landlord, and getting good deals. And speaking of numbers, your credit score. Having a 680 score, you can do so much. 680 plus. If you don't have a 680 score, you can get others that do and put them on your LLC. That's a tip right there. That's a secret of the industry they don't want you to know. You can add someone to your LLC that has a good credit score, and you two can buy that deal together. Or you could add someone that has more experience than you. You want a team that's going to work for your team, for your business, for your LLC. But so if you have the credit score but don't have the money, get somebody that got some money. If you have the money but not the credit score, then get someone on your LLC that has the credit score, and go get these deals and go get these loans. That's what they don't want you to know. They want to pound you and want you to have all these criteria met. And if you are short, get someone that is, add them to your LLC, make a joint venture, however, whatever works best for you and that person, so that you can go get that loan. They don't want you to know that. They want you to think that you have to have all your ducks in order, but you don't. Never tie up all your money in one vehicle. That's another secret. And I talk about that on several videos, so I'm not going to go into that one any deeper. So you say, Rena MoMoney, if you had to say some top secrets that they don't want you to know about, what would you touch on? Well, I would say take advantage of compound interest. Take advantage of PAMN accounts, compound interest. Take advantage of that. That's really the secret to wealth. Go get a real estate line of credit. Go get a life insurance policy. Go get a PAMN account. If you need help with that, look down in the description, send me an email, and I can get you started. You will need a sponsor for the PAMN account that I use. You will need a sponsor. So shoot me an email, get more money, and I'll show you how to get more money and more money and more money. Those are some top secrets. I have a few more, but before I go into them, I want to give my shout outs. I love to give my shout outs, and these shout outs are to those that have come back on the YouTube channel and made a comment or a nice gesture, and or new subscribers. So I love my old subscribers. I want to give you a shout out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here's my new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And or those that have commented on the YouTube video somewhere on the channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't select everyone, but I can select a few, and I like to select them to let you know how much I appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. So thank you again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We've talked about some mindset secrets. We've talked about some rich folk secret. We've talked about some lender secrets. And here's to add a few more. You know, I like to give some extra value to each video. Lenders will approve you on the amount of your cash value on a life insurance policy. You hear me say get a life insurance policy. You've heard me say that. You want to get an IUL, or you want to do infinity banking. I don't know which one you've heard of, but talk to your insurance agency about that. Every agent does not understand and know how to do infinite banking. So talk to someone about an IUL. But that's an asset, and it has value. That insurance policy has value, and lenders now, and they don't want you to know that. They want you to think that it's only the amount you work for and the amount that's in your bank. But you can use your cash value on your life insurance policy, and it's used as collateral. So you can now get approved for that. So if you have a $500,000 life insurance policy, you can now, on that cash value of it, you can now get approved with lenders. They don't want you to know about that. They don't want you to be creative. So some strategies was created long ago. It's time to get into new strategies. It's time to learn new techniques. It's time to learn those secrets. And I just spilled a few for you. If you like what I'm saying, again, go ahead and comment. Please like if you haven't already. Please like, subscribe, talk to me. Give me a comment. Give me some information. Give me some feedback, because it keeps me going. And I appreciate every single one. Oh yes, and I want to mention, please look down in the description. I have some information for you. I have resources and I have all kind of stuff to help you out and help you crush it. Look down, see what helps you, and see what'll work best for you in your business and the position and the time frame that you're in right now. Get with it, get ready to crush it. There are some great deals that comes with Subject to. There are some great deals in seller finance. So those was some ultimate secrets. The best ultimate secret there is to creative financing is to do seller finance and Subject to. Easy process in doing those type of methods. Here's another tip for you to write down, to put in your memoir, so that you can have. Make sure that you familiarize yourself with the 1031 exchange. Using a 1031 exchange saves you on taxes. And here again, we're talking about saving money. Working with realtors is also a plus. They don't want you to know that. They want you to think that only investors and wholesalers have the answer. That's not true. Realtors have access to things that you don't have access to, and they don't want you to know that. So make sure that you have a realtor, a real estate agent on your team, so that you can get some of the advantages of the agent. My last and final tip and tool for the day is to understand that technology saves you money. Hire a team. Don't try to do this by yourself, because you won't make it. You won't make the high six figures. You will not make $1 million in real estate every year. You will not make it just doing it all by yourself. Hire yourself a team. Believe me, it's worth it. They don't want you to know that. They want you to think that you can trust no one but yourself. But that's not true in this industry. You must have someone that you can trust. Have a team. You want the professional team built. If you're not ready for that stage yet, then get ready for that stage. Continue to watch my channel, continue to listen to the videos, and you will be prepared. Don't be afraid to jump out there. Don't be afraid. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope it helps someone out. Give me a smash, give me a like, and I appreciate you. Thank you, and you have a good day.